Hello class, today we will be making a composition with a whale. We'll draw a whale in the middle of our paper, then draw a horizon line, then we'll draw this color in the sky and make some sea plants at the bottom and make sure your water is blue. Do not color blue on top of your whale. Let's begin. Please take out the following colors. You can use any colors that you want. The colors that I am using are black for the whale. So take out black. And then also take out your warm colors, red, orange, and yellow for the sunsetty sky, for the warm sky. And then take out blue for your water. And then take out green for your sea plants. Let's begin drawing. If you want to start in pencil, you can. I'm going to go ahead and start in crayon with my black. So take out your black and let's begin now. Please draw a football shape in the middle of your paper, not too big, not too small. The whale's mouth goes down. He's shaped like a regular fish, but his bottom goes down lower, and then you close it. So your shape should look kind of like this for your whale. Then go ahead and add on his back fin, like this, around and down. And then add another one, around, up, and back. Then let's do his mouth, like this, and go down like this. Your whale has folds of skin under his chin. Then you can add his eye. And maybe a little bit of a wrinkle here. You can color in his eye. And then you can add the blowhole on top where the water will come out when he wants to shoot water out. Then you add his back fin, like this. When you're coloring in your whale, please color him dark all around. Let's add his lower fins first before we color him in. Shade everything dark on one side or on the outside. Shading is using all of my dark black first by pressing more firmly. Coloring around his back fins. On either side, on this side, and then on this side, color dark. Let's color him dark around his body to make him look rounded. The inside will be light, the outside will be dark. Now smooth it in a little bit so that it doesn't look so rough. Getting a little bit lighter. Same for above, a little bit lighter here. A little bit darker, sorry. Dark all around the edges. Dark all around the edges. And now we're getting lighter to color in his inside belly, light black. Inside is light. color your whale all the way black, but his inside is light. See that? He's light on the inside and dark all around. If you don't know how to get this, you can just color your whale in black all the way. But make sure you have some spots light and some spots dark to make him look more realistic. I'm going to color light black on top of these folds of skin, under his chin, and light black here. Nothing is left white. So nothing is left white on your whale. He's colored in black all the way in, light black and dark black. Once you're done coloring your whale, then it's time to draw your horizon line. Figure out where you want the water to be. I want my whale to look like he's jumping above the water with his back fin up and the blowhole there. So I want to make my horizon line like this. Don't draw on top of your whale. After you have the horizon line, then it's time for you to use black to draw your sea vegetables. For your sea vegetables, you just start at the bottom, go up, and make a windy like this. Some can be blowing this way. Following the current of the water. Go all the way across and make all of your plants that you want on the bottom. And then after that, you can color them in green. Color inside your plants green. They're outlined in black. Green inside. You can make your plants in any style you want. I did this long, wavy, flowy style. After you're done with your plants, then it's time to color our water. You can use some blue horizontal lines to make your water look like there's currents flowing through it. Horizontal lines. Put some over here, maybe 2, and then some over here, maybe 2 or 3. Waves, blue current waves. Then, after you're done with the blue current waves, color everything in light blue. All of your water. Color around your sea plants. Don't color on top of your green. Try to maintain your light blue color. Press softly to create light blue for your water. Color all around your sea plants. Don't color on top of your whale, just color next to him and all around him. Coloring in our water light blue. Get really close to your whale, but don't color on top of him. You want your whale to look nice and black, not navy blue. So we're not going to mix any color with our black whale. We're just coloring around the whale really closely. See how I'm coloring on top of the blue waves? The waves are already blue, so I can color on top of those. I'm not going to color on top of my green. I'm only making the blue water blue by itself. I'm not coloring on top of anything. Remember to press light. Try to keep your light blue very light. It doesn't have to be really dark. You're just trying to make sure the paper doesn't look white anymore. So color it all the way in light blue. You should be almost finished with coloring in all of your water. Next to your whale, don't color on him. Very light blue all the way around. When you're finished coloring in all of your water, when you're finished, then it's time to color in your sky. So for the sky, you can use yellow towards closest to the horizon line. Get really close to your whale, but don't color on him. Make sure you don't bump into the black. You don't want to be smudging your black. This is her whale composition. It's almost time for us to share. When you share your work today, talk about your process. After yellow, then switch to some orange, your next warm color. We want our sunset sky to look sunsetty. So there's going to be a mixture of colors ranging from yellow, orange, and then we're going to do red after this. And if you want, you can add a little bit of blue to your sky. So after the orange, then add some red. You can rub gently. You don't have to color it in all the way. You can leave a little bit of white showing with your red. Make sure you're touching the orange. You can blend in to the orange. Keep going. Then now I'm going to add some blue at the top. Sometimes you might want to add purple if you want it to look like a nighttime sky. When you're finished with your composition, write your name at the bottom. Let me share my work. Hi, my name is Miss French, and this is my whale composition. The first thing I drew was my whale in the middle of the paper. Then I made the water and the plants, and then I made the sky. I made sure that I mixed warm colors into my sky so that the sky would look like a sunset. Thank you. If you're ready to share your work, raise your hand in Zoom. You'll get 5 points for sharing. Thank you.